In my last video, I talked about the importance of being clear about what you want to use your presence in the service of, being clear about your purpose. We also talked about how you can make your presence a gift to other people. Today we'll work on your presence intention. What are the personal qualities that are at the core of the presence that you want to have? How would you like other people to see and remember you? So for example, if I aspire to be trustworthy, courageous, and assertive, this is an intention that can help to anchor and guide me in my everyday life. So let's say that I'm in a situation that is stressful or difficult in some way, and my default reaction would be to run away or not dare to speak up. Then I can take a deep breath and say, wait a minute. How would somebody who is trustworthy, courageous, and assertive do? What would they do, or how would they act in this situation? So if you want to work on your presence intention, find 3 words that you would like your clients or your colleagues to use to describe you. And remember, not to describe you how they see you today, but how you would like them to describe you. So be aspirational. Then note these 3 words down on a post-it and stick it to your bathroom mirror or to your laptop to remind you of how you would like to be in the world. If you're interested in learning more on how you can work on your presence, or if you would like to join a training with me, head to my website at voximpact.com.